Hi garden friends, happy Tuesday. So I have here the cutest little watering can that I found at Daiso, yet another Daiso find. And it's got little holes there and the little spout there, and it's got a little handle. I just think it's so adorable. Though I did have to nail some drainage holes at the bottom, and I did go a little crazy there, but I just used a nail and a hammer and I hammered them down. And the more the better, since it is tin and it's not a breathable material. And I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I have 5 little Graptosedum Ghosty plants. And I'll get a little closer. Look how pink they are. And I've propagated all 5 by leaf. Super easy. These are about maybe 5-6 months old. I have tiny little, I've got 3 of them. I have to be super careful. Graptopetalum Paraguayense pups, also propagated by leaf. I have to be super careful with this one. The cutest little Graptoveria Moonglow. Oh my god, check it out. Oh, it's blushing and it's so chubby. I love it. I've got an Echeveria Lola. Oh man, isn't that just lovely? And 2 lavender scallops. Oh my goodness, they're just so beautiful. Also propagated by leaf, super easy, one of the easiest ones to propagate. They just do them all on their own. And I've got a few strands of string of pearls. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. String of pearls here just to jazz it up a bit. And I'll start by adding my soil in there all the way to the top. And I've added a little water to the soil just so it can be workable, so it won't be like bone dry. Since I do have a harder time making the smaller ones, this will help. Okay, and I'll add just a little more. Press it down, and I'll add a little bit more. Okay. Okay, perfect. Take that little twig out. Okay, and I'll start with the lavender scallops. And I'll put them on this side, right over here. Just like that. And the other one right beside it. Ooh. I love the way they grow like that. Oh, they're just so cute. And I'll add my Lola right over here. There we go, right there. And let's see. I'll add a Paraguayense right there. Or actually, I'll put it right here on this side. And I have to be very careful. I'll add the little Moonglow right in the center there. Oh no! And I'll start putting my little ghosty plants around, because I want the little ghosty plants to be the main show. But they're all really pretty. And I don't think I'll be able to fit the other Graptopetalum Paraguayenses, but it's okay. I've got one in there. And I'll add my another ghosty right here. Ooh, how cute is that? Oh my goodness. And so it looks like that's all I'll be able to fit there. So I won't be able to fit this one, nor these 2 here. But I still have my string of pearls, and I can I see there's a little hole right there. So very carefully, I'll start poking the little stems right here that I have right through that little hole there. And hopefully they'll just root. So just like that. And let's see if it'll capture it. You see that little pearl there? I'm just gonna pop it off just so I can make the little stem bare, so it'll be easier for me to poke it through. Ooh, how cute. And I'll sort of adjust them because they want to fall naturally, so there we go. So those are the longer ones, and I have, this is a little longer here, and I'll do the same. This one right here, I'll kind of take a little bit from the stem there. I know it's a little sad, but it's okay, they'll grow more. And let's see. And with my little knitting needle right here that I have, it'll help me kind of poke it in so it could be right in there. So it'll stay put basically. And it's okay if they kind of fall over the ghosty plants. I think that'll look cute. So maybe 3 right over here. Oh, how cute. And let's see. I've got 2 more. I've got 2 more. So poke this one through. Just like that. And poke the other one through, and I'll take this little one off. Right there. The more string of pearls, the better, right? There we go. How cute is that? And I'll kind of like adjust this one right under, because it doesn't look like it wants to stay put. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. And I'll kind of blow some dirt off right here. Oh no, how cute is that? Check it out. Oh no. That is adorable. And I'll kind of lift it up a bit so you can see it. Oh, those string of pearls look so adorable like that. And I know you can hardly see that little Lola there, but it's okay. Cute little lavender scallops, and that one is perfect there. And the little Graptosedums all around. Oh, I think it looks so cute. I can't even stand it. And I won't add any stones to this one because I think it's just perfect. Oh, happy Tiny Tuesday, everyone. Have a great day, and until the next planting. Bye, garden friends.